Reading C is difficult. Many people find this the most challenging aspect of the OET exam. But have you done enough practice? Hi, I'm Jo from Specialist Language Courses. We are OET Premium Preparation Partners, and in this video we're going to do Reading C test practice. Let's begin. So, we're going to practice Reading C. We will look at a text with the title, The Breastfeeding Debate. Here we have the first paragraph and question. So we should first look at the question. The breastfeeding debate highlights. So we know the question is asking what the debate's about specifically. We can then read through the paragraph and look at the options to choose the correct one. Or you might prefer to look at the options first and then read the text. It's up to you. So pause the video now, read the paragraph and choose the correct option. And the answer is A, benefits of breast milk over formula. So this is introduced when it says the Start for Life website points to the protective benefits of breastfeeding. The text then goes on to highlight all the benefits of breast milk, but then there's also a comparison to formula, which we can see here, and so that's why it's option A. It's not option B because it doesn't talk about the constituents of breast milk and formula anywhere. It's not option C because it doesn't talk about the reasons for not breastfeeding, just benefits. And option D, while it does suggest that breast milk is better for babies according to the Start for Life website, the paragraph is more about benefits in comparison to formula, talking about the debate, so option A is a better choice overall. These test practice questions come from our amazing course, Reach OET-B, available for nursing and medicine, with everything you need to improve and pass Reading C. Now let's take a look at the next question. I'd like you to pause the video and use the strategies to read the text and choose the correct option. Let's go. So, which answer did you choose? The correct option is C. The text introduces the study and role of HMOs. It then explains Dr. Boat's findings that HMO is associated with the lower rate of food sensitization in children at the age of 1 year. So this suggests it lowers the risk of developing allergies. It's not option A because it doesn't talk about causes of hypersensitivity reactions anywhere. It's not option B. Well, yes, it suggests about protection against allergies, but no, not after 1 year. It's at the age of 1 year, so the protection is already there at this stage. And it's not option D because nowhere does it talk about the treatment of allergies. Do you want more practice? Simply write Reading C in the comments below and we'll send you a link to a free sample test practice questions. And if you want more help with your skills and strategies for this paper, check out this video. See you next time. Bye! OET Reading C is considered by Hi, I'm Jo from Specialist Language Courses. We are OET Premium Preparation Partners. Reading C is difficult. Many people find this the most challenging part of the exam. But Reading C is difficult. Many people find this part the most difficult. Yay!